Ciao à tutti, j'espère que vous allez tout bien. Je suis Karen Sofia Florestorio. I'm in the second semester of Foreign Languages in the UPTC University. My name is Jimmy Professor y Jonathan Vasquez Gonizo, and in today's video I'm going to teach you the consonant sounds in English. I hope you can enjoy and learn from it. Let's start. We have voiced consonant sounds and voiceless consonant sounds. But what does it mean? Well, the sound is voiceless if there is no vibration in our vocal cords when we pronounce a consonant. Instead, if there is a vibration in our vocal cords when we pronounce a consonant, then the sound is voiced. The consonant sounds are divided in 5 manners of articulation. They are nasal, plosive, fricative, affricates, and approximants. The main point for nasal is that you let the air out of your nose as you pronounce them. The first one is M, so more, mom, tomorrow, and some. The next one is N, so never, knows, now, nobody. And the last one, Ng, sing, thing, working, coming. Let's see some examples.
What are y'all doing? Running back to your kid? He don't want you no more.
That's a lie.
Plosives. The sound is produced when the blocked air is released in an explosion. We have voiceless. The first one is please, pile, place. The second one is take, tequila, point. And the last one is come, consonant, and direct.
Ah!
Hi, Mr. Frederickson. It's me, Russell.
What are you doing out here, kid?
I found the snipe and I followed it under your porch. But this snipe had a long tail and looked more like a large mouse.
Then we have the voiced. B, b, b. Ball, back, baby. The second one is d, don't, dare, defend. And the last one, g, go, bag, garden. Let's listen to some examples.
I will get it and then bring it back.
The third manner of articulation is fricatives. Fricatives are made by obstructing a part of the vocal tract and then forcing the air through to produce a friction sound. There are 2 phonemes in there. One of them is F and the other one is V. They are different because one of them, when you pronounce it, the vocal cord does not vibrate, which is F. For example, for, father, and family. And the other one, V, when you pronounce it, the vocal cord has to vibrate. So it will be love, very, and vote.
Diego's leaving.
Whoa. This should be the best time of our lives. We're having a baby.
No, Sid. They're having a baby.
Yeah, but we're a herd. A family.
The next 2 phonemes in fricatives are S and Z. The first one, S, has no vibration in your vocal cords, so when you pronounce it, it doesn't have to vibrate. So some examples are science, muscle, and plays. In the opposite, we have Z, which has to vibrate. So some examples are wise, busy, visit. Let's look at some other examples.
Take them back. You're not meant to be a parent.
Why not?
First sign, stealing someone else's eggs.
When the letter S is nearby a consonant or a vowel which is voiced, the letter S, its sound becomes Z because it's really hard to pass from a voiced sound to a voiceless sound. That's why S becomes Z when it's nearby. For example, eggs. This one is a very quiet sound. It is made by passing air through your mouth. For example, home, house, and behind.
I can't take it anymore. He breathed it. And now I'm breathing it.
Hey, we're not dead. You sound ridiculous. Me? You should hear you.
The next one is and D. The second one sounds similar to the D sound. So let's hear some examples for you to understand the difference between them. The first one is thing, healthy, thanks, and the other one is mother, brother, breathe.
Everything the light touches. What about that shadowy place?
That's beyond our borders.
The next two phonemes that we have are sh and j. The first one is shy, special, and action. The second one, it's a long and soft sound, so it will be like vision, measure, and usual. Then we have the affricates, which is the four manner of articulation. They are the combination between plosive manner and nasal manner. The first phoneme, which is on the left side, is like ch, ch. So chaired, watched, lectured. Then we have the phoneme which is on the right side. It's similar to the j sound in Spanish. So we have job, judge, and soldier. Let's look at some examples to make it clear.
But what does that have to do with you?
Aha! Allow me to shed some light on the subject. And now all that's left is to return to Inventco, where I'll pass off your little gizmo as my own.
But you have no idea what that could do to this future.
I don't care. I just want to ruin your life.
Then we have the last manner of articulation, which is approximants. They are vowel-like consonant sounds because we don't block the airflow fully. So the first one is west, worst, worry. The second one is replay, orange, radical. The third one is young, yar, yell. And the last one is later, last, laugh.
Will you quit it?
What?
Trying to swim here. What, the ocean isn't big enough for you or something like that?
Huh?
You got a problem, buddy?
That would be all for the video. Really appreciate if you get until the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I really hope that you could understand what I was trying to explain and enjoy the content. Goodbye.